Struggling with vertebrate classes? Let's crack the code so you can absolutely nail your next biology test.
So why is a bat a mammal, but a penguin's a bird? It's questions like this where students lose marks. Yep, these exact blind spots can cost you. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you.
To really get this, we gotta go way back. Let's trace their journey from water to land.
Our story begins in the water. Meet the pioneers of the backbone. Fish, of course. Then amphibians took a huge step onto land, but they're still tied to the water for their young.
Reptiles were the first to truly conquer the land, thanks to scaly skin and a game-changing egg.
Look closely at their skin and eggs. These are the key adaptations that made all the difference.
Okay, now for a massive evolutionary jump. This one changed everything, the warm-blooded revolution.
So, cold-blooded animals rely on their surroundings. Warm-blooded animals, they have their own internal furnace.
Lots of things can fly, right? But only one group has feathers. If it has feathers, it's a bird.
And for mammals, the defining feature is simple. They produce milk to feed their young. So, back to our bat. It flies, sure, but it has hair and feeds its babies milk. It's a mammal. But how do you power this high-energy lifestyle? Well, it all comes down to the heart. You can see the heart evolved from a simple pump to a super-efficient 4-chambered engine. 4, that's the magic number that unlocks the high-energy lifestyle of birds and mammals.
This super-efficient design delivers a huge oxygen boost. It's like high-octane fuel for the body.
So how do you remember all this? Simple. Just focus on these key evolutionary milestones. Gills for water, lungs for land, shelled eggs, feathers, and finally, mammary glands, each one a game changer. So, if form follows function, what do you think is next? It's a wild thing to think about.